Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you. So we're talking about trading drills. And again, these are very specifically kind of prop firm drills or drills from people who are into day trading. Not really applicable for swing trading, but if you're a day trader and you want to kind of improve your craft and get yourself better and have some insight into the decision-making process, then these are well worth looking at. Okay, the first drill we talked about in the previous video was the always in drill. We have to be always in a position. This drill is called the 5-minute drill. Okay, and now what are the rules of this drill? Well, basically you have the alarm, let's say the alarm goes off or something happens, ding, right? You've now got, let's say it's the open. Good time to do it. A lot of people like to trade the open, want to get better at trading the open, specifically if you're trading the DAX or the FTSE or stocks or whatever it may be, a very distinct time where things start happening. Okay, so the 5-minute drill says, okay, you have to now, some sort of, alarm goes off, for example, and in the next 5 minutes, you have to take a trade, right? So you have to take a trade in the next 5 minutes. So you have 5 minutes to assess the conditions of the market and make a trade. You can't be flat, you have to go long or short. Now I know in the real world, a lot of times you want to be out of the market, but this is the point. The drill is it's forcing you to make that decision-making process and giving us that insight into your decision-making process, which is the key to it. Okay, 5 minutes you have to trade. Now you have to close that trade up to 5 minutes after. Okay, or I have to close it 5 minutes after that, right? So you've got a 5-minute trade. Again, very day trade, very scalping type of thing. But your process is, okay, right, bell goes off, you're sitting there and you're looking at the market. Your thought process is this, right, what's the market doing? Okay, where's the strength coming from? Where's the resistance? Where's the support? What are all my tools telling me? You know, what's the previous thing done? What's this, what's that? What's the range? Very quickly, you are making a kind of assessment of conditions with an idea of saying, okay, if I go long now, what's the chance of it being, much higher in 5 minutes? Or, is it going to just pop to the highs and lows? What I'm going to do. But the interesting thing is, because you're holding for 5 minutes, it makes you wait for that sweet spot because you've got to hold it for 5 minutes. You're not going to rush into it. You're going to say, okay, well, if I want to take a short now, I need to find the best possible point to take that short. Let me wait. Okay, now I'm in now because I think that's the opportunity I'm going to get, because the time 5 minute cycle, I don't want it to carry on and see my drawdown. And this is the kind of interesting info that you'll get from this. You'll say to yourself, flies in my face, you'll say to yourself, hey, what's the drawdown like on it? Am I too early? Am I too late? And this is the kind of interesting info that you get from this thing. So you can use it under kind of any scenario that you like. So let's say you're trading the US Open, or let's say you're trading after earnings, or anything that you want to be better at. Again, the point to all these things is that you are logging your decision-making process. You are working out what is influencing you to make that decision to go long or short, because very often we don't know. We trade on the fly. Sometimes we exit trades we shouldn't do. We enter trades we shouldn't do. We exit too early. We exit too late. We know there's a problem. Having this kind of forced thing, again, is on a simulator, guys, by the way, just a reminder, it's on a simulator. You're not doing this for real money. In a simulator, the point is, and you're keeping score, to see exactly what you've got over the set period. You're trying to beat that, or if you've got other traders you're working with, that's kind of where the competitive element comes into it. So the point is here, is that you get to see why you made the trade, or why you made the decision to go long, why you made the decision to go short, and it will improve you because you'll know, say, hey, listen, I'm very, very early at taking the short at highs, always stretches a little bit more. I've seen this now because I'm always trying to get that trade. Good that I'm not trying to go long on it. I'm waiting, but I'm a little bit early. Why don't I wait now for another topping pattern after this? Or why don't I wait for, the high to happen and then another high to occur and then take it there, as opposed to trying to take it there? Whatever it may be, you really get an insight into the thoughts and what goes on behind it. So that's the 5-minute drill. You've got 5 minutes when the bell goes to take the trade, any point from the bell up to 5 minutes, and you've got to close the trade 5 minutes after. Interesting one to do. Again, very good for one specific market, day trading, aggressive trading type strategy, great insight. Let me know if you do the drill. Let me know what you get out of it and what Anything else, any other drills that you know and like. We've got another one coming up in a second in the video, but in the comments below, if you've got any drills or stuff that you do or you've heard of that are interesting and think can improve your trading, we'd love to hear from them. All right, guys, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.